This is the 271 Canyon, made by Grady-White. It's a 26-foot, 10-inch boat, 9.6 beam, 186 gallons of fuel. This is truly a boat that can do offshore fishing capabilities with no problems. 100+ miles in back with ease. Let's step on board. Stern the boat on this 271 Grady-White. It has two 300 Yamahas. Moving forward, it has a nice door coming in with heavy-duty hinges. Freshwater station here for drying off and washing things down on the deck here. Nice big fish box. You got a 35-gallon live well over in your corner. Your lean bar has a nice little sink here with the wash station here as well. Toolboxes and tackle boxes down below. 45-gallon live well here with the rocket launchers. Rocket launchers on your hardtop here, along with integrated lights and speakers, lockable storage. This boat is equipped with adjustable outriggers. Let's take a look at the dash. Look at all your real estate you have. Put your whatever electronics you desire. Adjustable steering wheels, trim tabs, auto start, radio. Coming down the port side, you can see we have tow guards and coaming boasters, lockable rod storage here. Let's take a look in your head. Plenty of room in there. Lockable as well. Giving you a shot of the bow. Plenty of entertainment space for the wife and kids to play. You have a through-haul windlass up front. Have your controls right there with ease onto the side. Notice all the cleats are integrated, lights integrated for your fishing. You have plenty of rod holders throughout and cup holders throughout this boat. You have a nice jump seat in the front of your console. More storage up front, along with a flip up top to get into your row down here at the bottom. Notice your spreader light and your integrated windshield. This boat is truly a fishing machine. If you'd like to come check it out or take a sea trial today, come join me at MarineMax and Gulf Shores. My name is DJ Loveall, 423-653-8655. I'd love to meet you. Thank you.